Alright guys, today we're checking out the Greenworks 1900 PSI portable compact pressure washer. Got this to replace my standard rolling cart, which took up way too much space. This thing is awesome. This thing is lightweight, I'd say around 10 pounds. Got a nice long power cord, about 15-20 foot pressure hose, which is good. Comes with 3 attachments here. Got that turbo hose attached up, cleaning up my Tacoma, so we'll take a look at how it works. And this thing is only $99 at Best Buy, so let's power this thing on and see how well it washes. All right, it's already built up pressure. Now let's check out the turbo nozzle. Awesome, this thing actually spins around. But anyways, this side is fairly rinsed. Let's check out the other side, which is covered in dust and dirt. All right, we got the wheel here covered in brake dust and other grime. You all know how hard it is to clean this, so let's test out the turbo nozzle and see how well it rinses it off. All right, did a fairly good job. Might need a little scrub down, but let's test out the other nozzle to see if it can pull out these stains. Be right back. All right, got the green attachment on. Let's test it out. Remove grime. Hold on one second. All right, I got most of the easier, lighter grime off, but some of this harder stuff, probably gonna need to hand scrub it, but overall, looks pretty good. Let's continue on this side, and as you can see, it's coated in dirt and dust. Oh, nobody got snagged. Let's check it out. Oh, got kink line. Alright, I'd say for the most part it did a pretty well job cleaning the surface dirt and grime off the wheels. And so far for the rest of the car, it's actually pretty good for its use. I mean, if you want to go for a higher pressure gas powered one, you can, but for smaller DIY cleaning jobs, this one's well enough. So for the price of $100, it's actually really cheap. I love the portability. Just throw it in the back of a car or put on the shelf. You won't need to lug a large machine around. Comes with 3 attachments, which is pretty much all you need. And whoops, I seem to have forgotten these 2 accessories that come with the set. The pressure washer floor attachment and the soap dispenser. So yeah, so for $100 you're getting a ton of stuff. All right, let's get back to the video. And you know, for around the house DIY, this is good enough. So far I've been using it to pressure wash my fence, as you can see here. Yep, so if you guys want to check it out, I got a link in my description. And yeah, only Best Buy has this product, so if they have it in your area, go get it right away. Thank you so much for watching.